In primetime news this evening, no need to make it up with taxes. Reassurance for Jamaicans as government announces a revenue shortfall.
Manhunt on for triggerman behind deadly gun attack at Grange Hill High School.
And fresh concerns that Airbnbs are offering criminals an escape from law enforcement. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, over the next few years, the World Bank has pledged investments of about $550 million into the Jamaican economy. I'll have the details of that and so much more in the financial week.
And the Arsenal supporter Jordan Fort is back with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
I'll tell you what, Giovanni, the West Indies have named their T20 World Cup squad. Are there any surprises? I'll tell you about that in Primetime Sports Friday, of course. And Khadija Shaw, she continues to rack up the accolades. More on that a little later on in sports as well.
All right, thank you so much. Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the rainfall is continuing across the island this weekend. We do still have that flash flood watching effect for sections of eastern parishes, but more so for northeastern parishes. We've dropped the watch for north central parishes. I'll give you the breakdown in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how confident are you that the drains in your area can handle the increased rainfall now impacting sections of the country? Give reasons for your answer.
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.